TURO is a car-sharing platform that allows individuals to rent out their personal vehicles to others. Here are some advantages of renting a car on TURO. Variety of vehicles. TURO offers a wide range of vehicles to choose from, including luxury cars, sports cars, and vans. You can find vehicles that may not be available through traditional rental car companies. Cost-effective. TURO's prices can often be lower than those of traditional rental car companies, since the cars are owned by individuals rather than a large corporation. Personalized service. Many TURO hosts are passionate about their cars and are happy to share them with others. They can provide detailed information about their vehicle and offer recommendations for local activities or destinations. Convenience. TURO allows you to rent a car on demand, and you can pick up and drop off the car at a location that's convenient for you. Insurance coverage. TURO provides insurance coverage for all rentals, which can include liability coverage, collision coverage, and comprehensive coverage. Great for road trips. TURO allows you to rent a car for days or weeks at a time, which is perfect for a road trip or long-term travel. Support local communities. Renting a car on TURO can help support local individuals and communities, as the cars are owned by people in the area rather than a big corporation. It's important to note that TURO rentals are not regulated as strictly as traditional car rental companies, so it's important to carefully read the terms of the rental agreement and inspect the car before accepting it. Additionally, it's important to be aware of the local laws and regulations related to car sharing.